sounds of Julian King kambokawa kunonzi equal oxygen nguva dzasvika pana 7:09 kana uchangondibata ndina Ngoni transformational speaker wandinaye panapa patiri kutaura kuti mwedzi uno waMarch zvii zvatingaexpecte so apa tachimbotaura nyaya yegender based violence but now taakumova from that ndichimbobvunza Ngoni kuti mwedzi waMarch unoyu despite the fact that tiri kucelebrate vakadzi, what does it mean for you kuti takupinda in the month of March?
Okay, so CCD, thank you very much for the interesting question. So the month of March, it entails a whole lot of things. And it was March. It's actually meaning marching from the aroma of January, because January may change January disease. And we are now marching from February. You were speaking of love and the Valentines. We are now getting into March. Sakatrukuti, as an individual, you also need to march out of my circumstances. Be it nyaya in confidence, be it nyaya poverty, be it nyaya my habits from 2023 in January and February. We need now to march out of that. It's like an exodus. We need to move out of that, and that is March for us.
That's very interesting. Ngoni zvokutaura izvi asi unepo unenge uchimbozviverenga kana kuti zvingori natural so zviri kungobuda because aiwa it just says a lot. Zvoti panapa pauri kutotaura ndikutofila ndega kuti you know what, I need to step up in this month of March. Watondi-motivate. No wonder why you're a transformational speaker. Nokuti ndakutofila chimwe chinhu chatogwinika mandiri kuti no man, March I need to, you know, step up.
Exactly. So March is actually a broader month. I think we have habits that now, habits of lack of consistency. We need to march from inconsistency. Consistent. I remember you were on air sometime last year. New Year. January, you know, shockingly my resolutions. This year don't think impact, this year this and that. So there's need for us to have consistency. There's need for us to move away from my circumstances so that we actually grow, and that is actually successful in our human life.
So Ngoni, you mean that kana pani ma resolutions wanenge wakanyora paipai unofanira kungoramba uchingoita go back uchiona kuti zviri kufamba sei here?
Exactly, you need to march back because February kamamborasika nevhale nechichi makambobudisa dzimwe mari dziri pamba savings. So let's march back to our plan. What do we want in 2024? 2024 is a year of excellence. It's a year of grace. It's a year of unlimited and limitless living. In December, where are we going? In December, we have to actually march by air. Kunana Vic Force.
Yeah.
But plan. You know, I was speaking some other time. Victim versus victor. You should learn to be a victor of circumstances than a victim of circumstances. So a number of people are January disease. But let's be people that are successful. Let's be people that are enlightful within those circumstances and who will be successful and grow. Saka vanhu vakawanda they find reason I didn't do this because ndakazobudisa mari pavhale, I didn't. Saka pata kuti chimacha back to the plan and you succeed and excel.
Okay, pane point yandafarira Ngoni wataura kuti zvonizvo kana mamuna December we need to fly uchimboenda zvako kuvacation. So does that mean mari yachona inozongoereka neyangoungana ka1 here kana kuti ndopanototanga izvezvi kutosevha kuitira kuti pandozosvika uku zvinenge zvarongeka?
CCD mune munodawo zvekutravel. Okay, so I'll actually take you out, by the way.
Oh, thank you.
Okay, so what I'm saying is vanhu they need to understand kuti, you know what, CCD, we live in a society kuti vanhu we are living for the pictures, we are living in a competitive society. Saka ndozvatiri kuti let's march out of that. Munhu ngaanzwisise kuti mumwe munhu zviri effortless kwaari kuti abhuke a flight to Durban. Munhu zviri effortless kwaari kuti abhuke a flight to whatever space that they have to actually go. But vamwe vanhu manje totada kuteedzera that want to follow suit. We need to follow this and so forth. Mumwe munhu kuti atorukwe ari kurukwa nechikwereti because ada kukompita naamai nhingi. So we're saying let's march out of those zones ari kuramba akatitrapa. Those are zones of poverty, by the way. So to be successful, to be rich, munhu ngaanzwise kuti you have to be organic. Organic means munhu ari kungoya sangoni with my ordinary clothes, no need for me to go to Edgar's and get a suit yekuti I need to actually show off. No, because mumwe munhu kutopinda maEdgars anongosvika chitongotora suit zvitori effortless, anonge angofila anomuona nyaya dzemaako mazuva ano chichii ndonoona victor. So musade kuva competitive within the society. Saka we need to establish a plan yekuti isusu want to go to Vic Falls per holiday for Christmas and so forth. Saka it starts now kuti nini handamari Ngoni, I need to save 10 cents a day kuti panozosvikawo December aiwa zvinhu zvangu zvezvanangana. Saka that is how we should live. So we are saying let's march out of a competitive zone and reach a zone whereby we are understanding patiri, because to be successful you first need to realize with repap, self-assessment, self-evaluation, self-introspection. Then you move with, all right, so I'm now going here. You map it the way forward. Then you actually grow and succeed.
Thank you so much Ngoni. It was a powerful session indeed, and ndanyatsonotayiwa zvinhu ndanyatsozvigutsikanirana ndega kuti pana pandu kunyatsotaura na transformational speaker and utonyatsofila kutayiwa I'm already transformed, and I hope anga akateerera ari kunyatsofila motivated pakuita zvinhu zvake. Tosangana zvekare pachikamu chinoteerera.
Thank you so much CCD, and enjoy the rest of the week.
Same to you.